Of course, I only travel Philippine Airlines. Thank you very much. Kanabitang mo anika and you are being greeted, Mamita. Asa naman sad ka? I'm going to Baguio. And always remember, travel only Philippine Airlines. Salamat kisa ato shout out.
Shout out, Nathan.
Hello, and ma'am, are you?
Nori.
Nori and Nathan, always with a very pleasant smile. The Cebuani way of greeting you. Bye!
2025 on a Saturday. Remain seated when your seat.
Good afternoon. Our first food here in Baguio City, fresh from Cebu. In order to experience the Panagbenga Festival, we need to fuel ourselves with a good food. Sa Elements Buffet, right? And this is merienda. We came here too late for lunch, and we have merienda buffet for 280 pesos. Look at that. Beautiful place. Go. I am so impressed with the variety of food for merienda to choose from. Okay, ready? Truly a gastronomic treat here in Baguio City. This is Mamito Lakwat0 inviting you all. If you come to Baguio, you need to experience dining here at Elements Buffet. Thank you. Hi, Mayong hapon. Mga Cebuano. Look, we have also friends here from Cebu. Ma'am, can we have your name?
Michelle.
Michelle.
Akong family.
Hello, maayong hapon. See, Cebuanos are everywhere because they know how to appreciate festivity. Just like right now, sa Panagbenga. Is it how many times have you been here? Third time, and this is a very sumptuous merienda. Actually, mura na siya lunch for 280 pesos. Lucky are we. Senior citizen, less 20% discount pa. Bye! Oh, thank you. Hello! How are you? Gutom na? Gutom na. The Sugbus delegation. Yeah. And of course from Romblon. Gary, lunchtime. Kalakotsero, what an amazing experience. They have breakfast buffet. They also have lunch buffet. They also have merienda buffet. And also they have dinner buffet. 24 hours here at Elements Buffet. Something, look at this one. This is only for 280. Since I'm a senior citizen, less 20% for 200 pesos. Grabe ang ilang buffet. Elements Buffet diri sa Baguio City. What an experience. Wow. Dili makumpleto ato kakanin kung dili takatilaw og biko. Diba? Kani biko na sad ni sa diri sa Baguio. Dilawan nato. Pilit kayo. Ang lahi sa ilang biko diri, murag kulos na siya, ano? Tapol. Tapol. Awa. Dili lang siya ano, katubitang stick rice na puti. Tapol gid siya. Wow. Mga kalakot sir, abi na ko uban na. Napaday ubi kalamay, oh. Mintras kompleto pa inyong hipon. Kaon gyud mo ani. Kay kompostiso na inyong hipon. Kuya, okay, base kumaapil ninyo glamoy. Bibingka, kasaba cake, ubi palamay. Here, sa Baguio City. Strawberry Taho in Session Road, Baguio. Sana may mga float ngayon, kuya.
Dito po, dito sila mag-perform. Kaya dito ang maraming taong nauuna.
Okay. Strawberry Taho, just right here sa Session Road while waiting for the parade ng Panagbenga. Ganito pala dito as early as 2 o'clock in the morning. Marami ng mga tao.
Opo.
Ayan, no? This one. Maraming mga tao nag-aantay. Anong oras po parade?
8 yata.
As early as 12 midnight, dito na natutulog yung mga tao. Kasi they are expecting around 1 million visitors. At maliit lang tong Session Road na to, kaya congested talaga. Kaya dito na natutulog yung would love to watch the Panagbenga flower blooms. Meanwhile, mainit ang tao kasi ang lamig ng panahon ngayon.
14 degrees.
14 degrees Celsius. Wow. Taho. Strolling. Naglalakad sa Session Road with my cousin Akay. May strawberry, taho.
1 a.m.
1 a.m. ba ito? 1 o'clock. Okay. ibang klase ang trip, ha? Kung ginaw, ilang degrees tayo, Kay?
14 degrees.
14 degrees Celsius.
Yung mga bayot, asa mo mga bayot, hasa diri sa Bagyo, maabot mo diri Soroy. Unsan man mo, oy? Unsan naman mo?
Ang degrees Celsius, Kari.
90/120.
Blood pressure man today, oy. 14 degrees Celsius, ilang degrees? 90/120. Blood pressure man yan to bagay.
Kasi ka mataas ang tubo. Ay, ka na mga bayot.
Tinaw. Yes, ilang degrees Celsius kaya?
Ay, si Mama
140 over 100.
140. Ang blood pressure man to, ilang degrees?
Tumaas bigla kasi ang Lusata ko naiwan ko sa bahay.
Ito, ilang degrees Celsius?
120 over 80.
Normal.
Over 90.
Mga lukring. Ang reklamo ko, ang ginaw, ang binigay sa akin, ang blood pressure. Ilang degrees sabi ko? 120, 140. Actually, 14 degrees Celsius lang ang ibinigay sa akin. Puros mga blood pressure. Yan ang mga epekto ng mga senior citizen.
Ay, naiwanan kasi ang masartan.
Session Road! Para ka na sa South Korea. Thank you.
Yung mga bayot, asa mo mga bayot, hasa diri sa Bagyo, maabot mo diri Soroy. Unsan man mo, oy? Unsan naman mo?
Okay, we're going to Dragon Castle, one of the latest attraction here in the city of Baguio. I am here for the Panagbenga 2025. Let's see what is in store for this new tourist destination in Baguio City. Itong mga residences to. Off we go. Ito na. This is the drop-off area. Diretso daw. Uy, ay. Come on! Okay na doon. Okay na. Okay na yan.
Mamita din ka man ka.
Ha?
Cebu o...
Tag-CR. Kamuna nindot na siya dira. Hello, good afternoon. Yesterday we have tried the merienda at the Elements Buffet today. Lunchtime, the time now is 12:08. We will try their lunch buffet here in Elements Buffet, Baguio City. It's our second day here in Baguio City. We have tried the merienda buffet yesterday, and today it's our lunch. Second day in Baguio, again on Elements Buffet with a very sumptuous lunch. This is quite an experience coming from Cebu here at Baguio City for the Panagbenga Festival 2025. Thank you very much. Very first time to have experienced the Panagbenga Festival here in Baguio City. I've been here to Baguio countless of times, but this one is for the book. Amazing artistry, amazing creativity that I have witnessed through this lovely arrangement of flowers, came to life of this artistic senses and taste, plus how it was presented to the public was truly magnificent and amazing. Kudos to the organizer of Panagbenga Festival 2025. The flower blooms, should we say, because it's accentuated how the flowers has been placed orderly with rhythm, colors, vibrant colors, and artistry. What an Siyempre, pag nasa Baguio tayo, subukan natin ang wala sa Cebu. Ito sa Cebu, wala binatog at walang night market na talagang ang daming choices. Night market sa Harrison Road. Beautiful experience. Mas na-enhance dahil sa masarap na binatog.
Hala, mamita. Ba't nandito ka sa Baguio? Nakaswims pa
Saan na
rin.
ba yung room number ko?
Hala, sige hanapin mo yan. Saan na? Asan na, mamita? Ayun, buksan mo, mamita. Ang ginawa, mamita. Tumigil ka, mamita, ha? Wala ka na. Mamita, anong pinagagawa mo dyan? Sa labas ka na ng balcony na. Ang ginaw-ginaw, mamita. Ayan, tignan mo mga construction boy. Nakikita ka nila. Nabubuisit sila sa'yo dahil, ano ka ba? Hindi ka mawat-awat sa ginagawa mo yan.
Ito yung sarsa na galing ng Romblon, dala mo pa to.
Ayan pa ba yun?
Oo, ayan, umaaso. Tinan mo, umaaso pa.
Anak ka, microwave.
Kailangan ni microwave mo to. Siyempre, kakainin ko to.
Umuusok.
Ito yung mas napakasarap na sarsa. Galing ng Romblon.
Mamita, mamigay ka naman.
Mamaya na.
Grabe ka, mamita. Tingnan mo, mamita, yung mga construction.
Iingitin ko ang mga construction workers.
Ayun, nakatingin sila
Kumain
sa
kayong
iyo.
lahat.
Ayun, no?
Tingnan nyo, ang sarap-sarap ng sarsa galing ng Romblon. Ay, hep hep!
Hooray!
Hep hep!
Hooray!
Ayan! Ito yung sarsa na galing ng Romblon, dala mo pa to.
Ayan pa ba yun?
Oo, ayan,
Ay, naku.
umaaso. Tinan mo, umaaso pa. Half tunnel and description. A half tunnel, a 50-meter portion of the highway carved from the face of a huge rock constructed in 1968 after the strong typhoon training washed out the road. Benguet to Rizal. Saan na to? Anong lugar na to na? Anong lugar na to? Atok. This is already part of Atok Benguet, no? Ayan, no? This is already a part of Atok Benguet. Ito na mga fruits, harvested vegetables and fruits. Okay, we are now in Atok Benguet. Ito mga freshly harvested mga fruits. Grapes. Chicos ba ni Dong? Lychee? Ano lychee? Ito pa. And that is the half tunnel. Half tunnel. Thank you.
Oh. Video yan.
Okay. Pasahan na lang kita.
Ito yung iikutin yung farm. Kung gaano kahabang binaba ninyo, ganon din kahabang aakyatin. Pero hindi naman po compulsory na ikutin nyo lahat kung di po kaya. Okay? Kung feeling nyo hindi na kaya hanggang dun sa dulo, huwag nyo na pong pilitin. Okay? And then may mga guides naman po dyan kung maaabutan nyo pa kasi mag-lunch break kami. So mostly na spot dyan, you're on your own. See to it na hindi po masisira yung mga bulaklak, bawal pong pumitas. Okay po? Okay. And then, ano pa? At saka sa pag-akyat ninyo, ma'am, sir, di ba sa science, the higher the altitude, the lower the oxygen. Okay? So, pag hiningal po kayo, mag-rest po muna. May nakaantabay naman dyan ng mga chairs pag-akyat. Huwag nyo pong pilitin na diretsuhin yung paakyat.
Maria Isabel yan? Ano yan? Parang kamatis ang kanyang panda. Ito yung mga ilan sa gilid-gilid. Sa gilid mo, mamatay na. Bukas na po. Anong ka na dito?
Okay?
Okay. Kuha ka.
Kakargahin mo ba?
Punta natin dito pala. Kahit mahal. Marami pa. Andun yung bahay ni Juan. Ayun sa... Hindi ba yun? Okay.
Maganda nito, yung sinasabi mo. Alam mo. Di, ma'am. Marami.
Okay.
Hey, Kuya Joey din.
Hello.
Hi, Mamita.
Hello.
Squash flower?
Yeah. Ay, very good, Chris. Tama na. Okay na. Ganito, Chris. Una ka doon. Una ka doon kay Kuante ko picture. Sige.
Pwede naman tayo mag-skip, ma'am, ng ano. Ma'am, punta ka na ako sa pupunta.
Iikot. Pag ganun.
Si ano ko sa tubig na pupunta. Hindi yun na lang. Dahil payag naman ito. Ito pa yung nindot na bukas. Ay, ito na. Wait! Ganda sa sila. Apa si Daddy po? Ano na? Ay, nakakapag na ba kami? Ito na nakapag-ambaga? Hindi! Hindi, wala na tayong additional amba. Dire-diretso yung sa daan.
Ano ang mo siya?
Ayaw ko sa hindi na magpatalo. Hindi rin ayaw yung hindi.
Okay na. Okay, thank you. Diri na sad tayo. Dito abi ha.
Lahat kami narin sa
Okay nga dong. Chris, one of the most popular tourist destination here in Atok Benguet are the northern blossoms. It may be quite expensive in comparison to what we have in Busay or in Sirao Garden, but it's worth it because there are some flowers that doesn't grow sa Cebu or sa Busay that only grew here sa Atok Benguet. I think it's because of the weather. That's one reason why you need to come to Atok Benguet to experience an exquisite display of these lovely flowers. Thank you very much.
hahawak ako sa saka. Ito pa ako?
Caracotsera, one of the most popular tourist destination in Atok Benguet. Mount Olis, summer, viewing deck. It is 7,900 feet above sea level. So this is what I am going to say to you, especially to all my senior citizen friends, that life has no certainty. Kailangan talagang magbiyahe, no? So that you will appreciate the beauty of nature. So stay healthy po tayo, ha? And look at this amazing view of Mount Olis. Atras Division.
Marami pala kayong nag-tour? Okay lang?
Group.
Group. Galing Cebu?
Cebu.
7,900 feet above sea level, Mount Olis. Thank you. But na si Mamita Lacotsera sa Atok Benguet, one of the highest point there is Luzon, no? Ang Mount Olis no? Viewpoint. Kanos apamanta mulaag kung dili na kaya ng ato tuhod ug kaya og dili na kaya sa ato tiil, while we are still capable of traveling. You travel, we travel. Kita nga senior citizen, we should not be restricted nga sa balay lang. Usa man, bulingkod lag rocking chair or wheelchair. We need to travel. So sa mga kabataan, my advice for you is you save money, take good care of your health, so that when you retire, when you become elderly like us, you can still travel. Look at this lovely, beautiful place. Mauni siya ang mga God's gift to humanity. Nga di nato ma-appreciate ang beauty ng nature if we cannot see it first hand, kung dili gid nato sila makita. So save money, take good care of your health, then travel. Travel first. Unahon nato pag-travel ang Pilipinas before we keep on talking about traveling to other countries. Unahon sa nato. Let's love our own. Travel Philippines first. Thank you. Bakla, ilan bang lalaki inaharbat mo dito sa Baguio?
Mamita, ang dami sila gumagala rito. Pero darating, ayan na!
Ayan na! Ayan na! Hello! Good morning, mga Kalakwatsara. It's an honor and privilege for me to have met these beautiful ladies who doesn't even show on their faces that they are senior citizens. This, you need to emulate ladies who know how to appreciate life, because life is unpredictable. Life has no rewind, so you should create a story of your life. Yes. Create moments with your friends. Yes. A moment that money cannot buy. But there is one good advice that I have to tell you. You need to take good care of yourself first, yes, so that you'll be able to do the things that they are doing. Pangalawa, you need to be financially stable. You don't need a man to be happy. Yeah. The most important thing is you need to love yourself and appreciate beauty, because these are God-given creation. We are here right now at the Northern Blossom sa Atok Benguet. We traveled from, these ladies are from Lumban, Laguna, and I am from Cebu City, Mamita Lacotsera, telling you that age is just a number. Yes. So enjoy life while we are still able and capable. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to share this video. Road to 190,000 followers. Thank you. Ma'am, thank you very much. Share this video, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
We're from Lumban, Laguna, the Barong capital of the Philippines. I am inviting all my Kalakwatsera, aside from Atok Benguet, you need to visit also Lumban, Laguna, especially if you are a connoisseur of clothes that has historical relevance among Filipinos, like the Barong, no? Yeah. Doon kayo, pwede kayo mag-order, and you might be able to see these lovely ladies standing beside me, okay? Lumban, Laguna, maraming salamat po. I hope to see you one of these days. Bye.
Look at that, wow. Let me show you that wow. Let me get down. Want it right now. Look at that, wow. Look at that. Look at that, wow. Look at that, wow. Let me show you that, wow. Look at that, wow. Look at that, wow.
Real talk tayo mga kalakwatsera. Ang Mount Olis, lalo na kung taga Cebu ka or somewhere in Visaya, malaki ang gagastusin mo talaga if you come here. Malaki ang gastos. Kaya nga sabi ko, hanggat kumikita pa, mag-ipon. At pag nakaipon na, unahin ang sarili. Huwag iwaldas ang pera sa kung mga walang kakwenta-kwentang mga bagay. Unahin mo ang sarili mo at dapat mag-travel. Unahin mo muna ang mag-travel sa Pilipinas bago ang ibang bansa. Kasi the best way to commune with nature is you have to come to the place and you will mas lalo mong mamahalin ang Panginoon sapagkat these are all God's creation. Tingnan niyo ko, ganda. Ang ganda ng lugar. Ha? So beautiful. Ay kung wala tayong pera, paano tayo makakabiyahe?
Kailangan ng sasakyan.
Kailangan ng sasakyan. Sumakay ka ng eroplano. It will take a lot of money. Sasabihin niyo, magastos.
What is money?
Pero kung nakapag-ipon ka, nothing is impossible. Kaya kayo mga kabataan, you save a lot of money. At sa mga matatanda na may pera, you enjoy your money. Kasi hindi natin alam kung bukas gising pa tayo. Kaya mag-enjoy. Sa mga bashers ko, alam nyo na kung anong wala kayo at meron ako. At huwag kayong magalit sa akin sapagkat pinaghirapan ko to. It isn't too late to learn from me. Mga bashers, mawawala yung negative ninyo at saka toxic na mga pag-iisip nyo pag masaya kayo sa buhay. Kasi ang taong masaya, nagra-radiate ng pag-ibig at pagmamahal sa kapwa.
Spread the love.
Spread love. Okay? Bye! Back to Manila, we dropped by a food market here, vegetable market sa may Baguio to bring home mamaya. So grabe, it's 14 degrees Celsius sa sobrang ginaw, but there's a lots of fresh vegetables here. Before going back to Manila, bili ng mga gulay kasi my cousin, si Akay, will be preparing chop suey mamaya. Ito, saka may mga pasalubong din, magmura dito. With my friends, buying mga pasalubong. Asan na yung chop suey? Asan na yung chop suey doon? Asan na yung imagine, no? 250 pesos lang, mga kalakwatsera. It's only for 200. Mamita, mamita. Compliment. Anong? Oh, thank you. From Jenny Store. Dito sa may bagay. Thank you. Bye-bye, Kalima. Happy birthday. Thank you. Very much sa Jenny Store Strawberry. O dito na kayo bumili if you want fresh, delicious fruits and vegetables before going back to Manila. Dumaan na kayo sa Jenny Store. At mabaitaan mo na may-ari ng Jenny Store.
Semento po yung
Semento po yung bubong niya. Ano pangalan mo? Hanapin mo si Kenji. Are you Japanese, Kenji? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Kenji, thank you. Oh, thank you. From Jenny Store. Dito sa may bagay. Thank you. Bye-bye, Kalima. Happy birthday. Thank you. Very much sa Jenny Store Strawberry. O dito na kayo bumili if you want fresh, delicious fruits and vegetables before going back to Manila. Dumaan na kayo sa Jenny Store. At mabaitaan mo na may-ari ng Jenny Store.
Semento po yung
bubong niya. Ano pangalan mo? Hanapin mo si Kenji. Are you Japanese, Kenji? Okay, thank you.